people. Oh my god, I'm so glad to be back. I feel like I have a small family right now. Like, I hit 100 subs yesterday. I just want to say thank you to everyone who has subscribed to me. You have no idea how much it means to me, and I'm super excited to grow this. You guys are like a family, so I'm excited to grow this family bigger and keep pushing out great content for you guys. Now, today's video is all about Ruby Kisses Ultra Matte. Wait, let me grab one. Today's video is all about, this is the Ruby Kisses Forever Matte liquid lipsticks, and this is it. This is what they look like. I like the packaging. It reminds me of the Kylie Jenner lip kits, just like the way look at that. They got like the little dripping whatevers on them. I got these bad boys from Walmart. Now, sadly, Walmart only had 8 shades, but I am gonna try these on for you guys. And again, there were only, and yo, here's the best part of it all. They were only $2. $2. I'm gonna try these on. I'm gonna put these on for you guys. I will put the name of each one in the bottom. Then at the end of the video, I'm gonna give you my favorite and what I'd wear more, what I would wear more, and I think what would be brown girl friendly, you know what I mean? So if you guys are interested in that and seeing me try these bad boys on, then keep on watching. Also guys, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit that big fat subscribe button right below this video. And also take a look in my description box, because I will have links to every single one of these colors in the description box. All right guys, keep on watching. I'm gonna add some lip something, just a little bit hydrating. This is the Shea Moisture Lip Balm. Girl, I can't. Alright guys, so that wraps up the video. My favorite lipstick shades are Aged Rose, Tippy Toe, Oh Boy, and Bare Berries. Thanks for watching.